Starting Muay Thai can feel overwhelming. So many techniques, so many drills. Where does a player begin? Well, today, Tito and I are breaking it down to 3 things a beginner must absolutely master to start strong in Muay Thai. Are you ready to cook?
Yes.
Tabernacle, here we go. The first thing, guys, that we're going to talk about today that every beginner must learn is shadow boxing. Am I right, Tito?
Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how important is shadow boxing in your opinion?
10.
10? 10. He said that like Keith Lee. All right, so let's get it in. This is the way that we want you to start shadow boxing. That way you get all the benefits of it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Hands up. You're going to touch for your distance, right? So next time you shadow box, don't just start punching. Make it realistic. We fighting at Roger Durham. Touch, step, bop. I step forward, boom, you step back. I step forward, you step back, right? So do it again without me there. Step, step, good. Now I kick, you block, bam. When you teep sometime, right? I kick, you teep, good. So therefore, step back and do the same maneuvers. Bop, bop, block, and then teep. There you go, good. Your opponent comes in aggressive, what would you do? Would you ball up like scared? Or you could check hook, right? Which one is better for you? I believe check hook. So let's try it. He steps in aggressive, wham. Then he kicks, bam, then you kick back. Wham, very good. So now let's practice that again. He comes in, check, block, and then wham, very good. Remember, gang, we're practicing all the defensive movements, right? So he tried to kick inside leg kick. You block, bam, he go body kick. Pop, he go hook, and then bam, and then bam. You just saw me do that. You just visualize your opponent doing that. Again, you practice it by yourself without your opponent there. So he what? Block, block, block. Good. That's how you're going to start shadow boxing to get the most out of it. Make it realistic. Step right, step left. Don't bring the feet together. Don't moonwalk. When you punch, if I'm here, or would you do a short punch if your opponent here? Or would you do a long extended punch? That's it. You would do long extended. So when you shadow boxing, again, long extended. Let me see. Pop, there you go. Bang, bang, stepping into the shots. He's not dropping his hands when he returns, so we don't want you to do that either. We don't want you to jab cross. Here, we don't want you to kick and then try to get your balance back. Because are you doing that when me and you are moving around?
No.
So you wouldn't do it when you're shadow boxing, all right? Practice perfect with precision because that will protect you. The second thing every beginner must master is the Muay Thai heavy bag. The heavy bag is going to be your best training partner. No kizzy. It's going to teach you how to generate power, maintain balance, and it's great for working on your endurance. We're going to teach you a few things that you should focus on. You ready to get them?
Yes, sir.
Tabernacle, let's work. First off is the jab cross. Sounds easy enough, right? Everyone says that's what they start off with. All right, guys, we're going to go jab cross. Easy, chocolate cake, all right? That's white belt. But not too many people teach on rhythm and timing of it, right? So let's work on the 1-2 Tito and show them how we do it. Bang, bang, there you go. Very good. As you saw the rhythm, it wasn't like jab, cross. No, it was right behind each other. Pop, 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 pop. Not only that, watch the feet. Watch how he hops into it. Basically stepping into it. Start off stepping, then you'll end up being able to bang, bang, hop into it. But you're balanced because you practice all the time on bag work. One more time, free. And then you bang, bang. Very good. Extend them a little bit more if you're keen. And then bang, bang. Very nice. Let them go. Bang, bang. And then you bang, bang. Good. Knuckle, bang, bang. Very nice. Like a machine gun. That's the basic 1-2. We want you to get past that. We want you to improve a little bit better with your footwork in the 1-2. Let me tell you something. You don't need a lot of fancy combos to put your guy down. You don't need a lot of fancy combos to score, right? You can kill somebody with the 1-2. This is where we want you to start adding. This is going to help your footwork and your timing. We want you to swing the bag. Swing the bag. Remember, the bat has arms, so you don't want to let them this close. You're at home, I want you to step back. Step forward, step back. Good timing. Step forward, step back, right? Now he comes in, bang, bang. Meet him with the 1-2. Can you do that? The key is not overextending yourself. The key is not stuffing yourself. I punch, you see I'm too close. So you're going to step back, you're going to step forward, and you're going to develop timing to throw that 1-2. Bang, bang. That's the rhythm. You ready? Show them how to do it perfect, free. Ooh, good feint. Good. Ooh, a little bit close. Bang, bang. Good. Sometimes you can hit him when he's going backwards. Sometimes you can meet the bag coming forward. Don't let him that close to you. Bang, bang. Ooh, he stuffed him. That's how we practice. That's how we practice. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Good. Pop, pop. Get him swinging a little bit. Teep. There you go. Ooh wee. What did you rate that one? It was good, but it wasn't great. Ooh, don't let the bag that close. That's an elbow. That's an elbow. That's an elbow. All right. Everybody practices, even Tito. Good. That's a good shot. That's a good shot. So we have the basic fundamentals of that 1-2. Easy enough. I'm telling you, with that 1-2, even though you're a beginner, I put the 1-2 combination against any street fighter. I guarantee you that 1-2 down the middle, that's going to win. So 1-2 is very good for self-defense. So practice on the bag, practice footwork, practice hands up, noon song, bang, bang. Next up is the leg kick. I always teach beginners leg kicks first because, in my opinion, it's much easier than the body kick, right? And it's just as effective, especially for self-defense. Here we go. You have the 1-2. Now let's give them the basic leg kick, right? This is what we're going to do, gang. We're going to cut the bag down the middle, right? That's the proverbial center line that we always talk about. And you're going to show the bag your ankle. This is my ankle. I show that to the bag. And then from there, I put the weight down, foot flat, bend the leg, swing. Wham! That's all you do. Step the line, bop, not forward, not stepping this way. No. Step out, right? Show the ankle towards your opponent and bend the leg, not straight. And one more time, swing. Look at the target. That's his thigh. Wham! Back to guard. What you got, Free? Up on that feet. Yeah, good. But he's still using the same principles that we've been talking about. He still has good distance, right? He's still long touching with the jab. Right? He's still keeping his guard up. Everything like we just talked about, that's what you're going to do to improve yourself just from bag work. The third thing every beginner must know to excel at Muay Thai is basic conditioning. Muay Thai is physically demanding, so building your strength, stamina, and endurance early is key. You don't need a gym membership or any fancy equipment. Just follow us and we're about to get you right. You ready? Here we go, my man. The first thing that we're going to start you off with this conditioning is one of my favorites. The skipping rope. The skipping rope here, it's not the small speed ropes. No. We use the big ones, the thick ones, right? This is actually twins. We love it because it has weight on it, so it's going to be a much more difficult workout, and it's going to strengthen your shoulders, your triceps, your biceps, your legs. And if you do this for 15 minutes, it's going to make your mind extremely strong because it's a very tough workout. But we know that you can do it. When you're starting off, you don't want to grab it right here, all right? Shout out to Crew O. He told me to do it this way. I never questioned why. I just did what they told me. Second, I see beginners coming in all the time when they start skipping rope and they're jumping too high, right? So they're here. No. You'll never make it that way. Again, just like in shadow boxing, just like in bag work, we want you to make this like a real fight, right? If I'm having footwork in a fight, Tito, would I be moving like this? No. How would your foot move? Bop. Good. Again. Bop, bop. Good. Nice and relaxed, right? Here. Yeah, it's very good. So when you do skipping rope, it's the same. When I'm skipping, I'm barely moving my feet. So it's see, same. Bop, bop. Barely coming off the ground. That's how we want you to start off. That's what we want you to focus on. It might be hard to start off with. It might be a little bit difficult. You might hit your toes a couple times, but if you stick with it, you will get it. So Tito, show us good movement, show us changing of the rhythm of the feet, right? Not only changing the rhythm of the feet, but changing the rhythm of the rope speed. Can you do that? My man. Very good. Getting good footwork. This is the way that we want you to do it, right? It might be a little bit hard to try to go one speed, but you mix and you master, you practice, and it'll make you a dog. You're going to be using the balls of your feet to jump off the ground. You're not jumping 50 feet in the air. You want to get off the ground just a little bit so the rope can go under your feet. Changing the pace, working on your breathing. Sometimes you go forth and back, right? Can you step forth and back? Stepping backwards, good. Sometimes you go stepping forward. Mix and match. There we go. Very good. I don't think Tito's developed this part, but no worries. We're here to practice. We're here to learn. All right, my arms are tired. I'm skipping. My arms are tired. Then I slow it down. This is actually harder than it looks. And then, okay, I'm good. Now I can speed it back up. You can actually go like this all day. You can go like this all day, right? Because look at my arms. I'm not winging them. I'm barely flicking my wrist. My biceps are tired now. So now oh man, I can do this all day. Then you speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Easy enough. Tabernacle.
I can do that.
Let me see. He says he could do that. I believe him. What you got? There we go. Good. Very nice. That's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description.